So this is what I have so far. I think it looks pretty good. So you can see down in there. I believe I'm ready for glue up, so I guess that's gonna be the next step. I'm hoping that the glue up goes all right because you only get one shot. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do next. So I believe I've got everything ready here. I'm gonna put glue in the groove, and then I'm gonna put glue on these two pieces, on the outside of these two pieces, and that should cover all the surfaces. So, all right, I hate glue ups, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so I kind of wanted to explain a little bit what I'm doing here with the blue tape. All I'm doing is, well, wiping off a little bit of the glue here. All I'm doing is putting the tape on one side, squeezing it together, making sure it's lined up, and taping the other side, just like that. And that's giving me a super tight joint. This is the best way that I figured out how to do it. Some people will lay out all the pieces and then tape the back and then kind of fold it all up, which works for like 90-degree miters, but for some reason it was really difficult to do it with this like sloped compound miter. So this is the best way that I've found to do it, and it works pretty well. I guess we'll find out in the end how well it actually worked. I'm about to get all this glue off my table saw now, but let's continue going here. So last piece on this corner. There we go. I like that. So we're gonna keep these corners sharp. I am not going to chamfer them or anything like that. I think I'm gonna like the sharp look. And next thing we're gonna do is actually we're gonna build the jig to cut these splines. And I believe we're gonna do the 1/8 inch table saw blade. And so that means we're gonna have a 1/8 inch spline. So hopefully that doesn't look too bulky, but I guess we'll find out. I wanted to explain one more thing here. So obviously this is at a 96 or 84 degree angle, whichever way you wanna look at it. So that means whenever I run this kerf through the jig here, I need to have it at 84 degrees. So I need to tilt that blade over to 84. So that way, whenever I cut these splines in here, they will actually be square. Because obviously if I have that blade at 90, that is not gonna give me a square spline location. So I just wanted to explain that. So if you guys are actually doing this, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'll probably say that again a little bit later on in the video when it comes time to it, comes time for it. But yeah, so I'm gonna have that blade at 84. I'm gonna cut those super nice. So, but that does mean I can't flip this around. So I can only do this one way. So I have to move it up this way and then turn it and move it up this way. You guys will see that a little bit later on though. So yeah.
So of course this is a vase holder, so let's put the vase in there, see how it fits. Perfect. Obviously I knew it was gonna fit, but yeah, so I'm super happy with this. The vase fits really nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This was definitely out of my comfort zone. This is definitely not something that I'm used to doing. I don't do miters very often, or actually ever. So I think this turned out pretty good for my first try. And hopefully you guys learned something, and I will see you guys very soon for the next video. Obviously, as you can see here in the background, I'm working on the legs for the shoe rack here, and I'm hopefully gonna have it done by next episode. So stick around. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I will update you guys on that situation a little bit later. So see you guys next time.